This here shit of mine has been attacked by, you know what, hornets, wasps. Maybe not murder hornets, but hornets nonetheless. You're taking your life into your own hands trying to get in there, I'll tell you what, because I'm allergic. So this here's a life and death situation for me. But I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna murder the murder hornets. You know, yeah, I'll tell you what. And instead of going out and buying that solution they sell at the hardware store for $1.285 or $75 or whatever it is, I'm gonna show you how to make some solution that'll kill these murder hornets. I'm gonna murder these hornets for like 5 cents, 10 cents with what you've got at home right now. So stick around and let's eradicate some hornets. Okay, this here's pretty simple. We're just gonna pour some hot water in here, and then a couple of squirts of this. Don't need a whole lot. And then what I'm gonna do is just kind of twirl it around. I'm not gonna shake it up, because you know what happens when you shake up dishwashing liquid? Oh yeah, we can spray them fellers. We can spray them fellers pretty good. You gotta use hot water and dish soap, and then spray. So, you see, they're up in here, and they're over in here. I can just hear them dropping. You can't see it because it's so dark, and I'm trying to not get stung. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, maybe I show a after. I didn't do it before. I'm sorry, but I couldn't get in there. But this is the way to do it. Get some soap, soapy water. That'll do it. I mean, cold water will do it. But you need the hot water if you really want to kill them quick. Okay, this is like something out of a horror movie, but I'm going to show you what we got. We got so many nests. I mean, they have just taken over in here. It's a tad bit terrifying to be in here, but you look back in there, and holy cow, there's a couple of ones I didn't see. I gotta spray them. And back up in there, yeah, back over there, and over here, and I'll tell you what, oh yeah, right there by my hand. Here's the good news. My shed's soapy clean now. Yeah. And the wasps are killed, except for those nests back there that I gotta get before they get me. I gotta run.